This daughters of mine, okay, one of the twins, Mary Grace, she failed. Before she took the exam, I asked her, "Are you comfortable already to test to take the exam?" She said 50-50. I said, "Don't take the exam if you're 50-50. Just like imagine how can you pass if you yourself is not sure that you can pass it. So same thing in our life. Okay, if you don't believe in yourself completely, by expecting people will believe you. Hello? Okay? So when you do something, try to give your 100%. No half-hearted. It should or don't do it at all. Okay? Or else you will just fail along the road. So that's the meaning of having the spirit of excellence. Maybe I can say this is also the secret of Brother Don, why I become so successful in my in my career professionally. Okay? Because I always give my best. That's why you will notice that I don't answer my cell phone during office hour. Okay? You wait. Even my wife, even my children. Now, okay, if that is really important, call me in the landline. Para hindi halata. Imagine I make the rule. Then suddenly I will break the rule. No, I will break the rule. So no matter how important it is. But of course, sometimes if you call dive with my break, no, that nobody can just tell me, why God? No, he's the one who made this rule. Then suddenly he's the one violating it. The law must be applied to all or none at all. Dapat ganun lagi ang pagpapractice. So, what do I mean by this? So, but when she failed, okay, she's stubborn, she took the exam, then she failed. Now, I give my support. I always guide them to the best that they could, but when they fail, I give my support. It's okay, girl. You still have another time. I'm sure you can make it the next time. And I think last Tuesday or Thursday, before she's asking prayers, imagine how can God will answer your prayer if He will grant you the G license and you're only G1 in your capacity or you will be about on the road. Okay? So this time, she did not inform us. She did not even ask for the prayer. But she practiced well. Okay, what I just listened, finally. Before that, I said, okay, girl, I give him support and so on and so. We need to be sensitive with that. You know, sometimes people who are down, okay, they need upliftment. Okay, they need to be uplifted. They need to be supported. They need to still see their values and their support. That is the meaning of being a miracle to others. So make a goal that today I will be a miracle to my wife. Today I will be a miracle to my husband. Today I will be a miracle to my children. Today I will be a miracle to my co-workers. Today I will be a miracle to the people that I will cross with in my path. Okay? So be a miracle because your life is the greatest miracle of life. What you have to do is just extend that miracle to everyone around you. And these people who comes our way are not by accident. They are predestined. There is a divine connection why God allow you to cross your path. You have a goal. So be a miracle. Okay? So be sensitive in complimenting. Be sensitive of giving approval. Especially if that is the truth. Okay? Nagandahan ka sa suot ng asawa mo, yung ganda ng suot. Kung naman sarcastic ka, nabadoy-badoy na, okay? So, I always do that in my office. What a beautiful smile. Even to my boss. Well, I think last Thursday, I went to his room. Okay? Then he gave me a beautiful smile. Then I said, "Nah, you know what? Just your smile. You energize my day." And you know the way I look at him the whole day, he keep smiling to us. He's the owner. You see? And you see, the simple gesture, the appreciation can transform, can make miracles after miracles. Okay? Amen? Even the guy Oh, with the, oh, you have a nice dress. We have the one of our senior engineers is very old, and he's dressing so lousy, so lousy. So one time he dressed well. Oh, you're good looking. You're very professional. You know what? Since then, he was motivated. Siguro problema na ngayon. Naghahanap niya sa value billet kung ano susunod. Just to make good looking. Show to the Lord. This is how to be a Christian. This is how to be the light and salt of the world. Okay? Oh yeah. Brother Kip, maraming sabi niya, kailangan ko sinusuot. Marami po akong jacket, pero ito lang yung sinusuot ko. Dahil kami kahit na hindi naman utugin ng kote. Tinitis ko na lang yung labi. Kasi nag-wapo lang ako. Thank you, Brother Kip. Thank you, Brother Kip. Ano lang, it's a simple compliment.